Hello guys, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can collect bamboos in Heartopia game. Okay, let's get into it guys. First of all, I'm going to show you where you can find bamboos in Heartopia. You can find them in the forest. Go to this forest area near the forest lake, and then you can collect bamboos here. Actually, you can also find the panda's trough right here because bamboo is the panda's favorite food, so you can find a lot of bamboos around the panda's trough. Okay, and then just like the other trees, you can go to the bamboo and you're going to use your pickaxe to cut the bamboo or to collect the bamboo. Okay, and here as well you can find lots of bamboos here, and you can give the bamboos to panda to fill the panda's trough. Okay guys, and that's how you can collect a lot of bamboos in Heartopia game. I hope this video will be useful for you guys. Thank you so much for watching, and bye.